Alright, I'm going to show you how to do D, E, and F. That's all about finding the cube roots. A cube root is pretty similar to finding a square root, but you're finding the base after a number has been cubed. So you're basically undoing a cube. It is okay to have a negative inside of the cube roots, because like you saw when we did -7 cubed, I got -343. So the answer to a question being cubed is allowed to be negative, which means when you get this answer, it's not going to create a not real number like it did with the square roots. The easiest way to do this is just to use the cube root function in your calculator, or you can use a list of perfect cubes. If there is a negative inside of the radical, that's going to give you a negative answer. The cube root of -27 is -3, because that's the only number that when you multiply it by itself over and over and over again 3 times would give you -27. Notice how cube roots have this little number with a 3 on the outside. That's telling you that's a cube root. If it's not there, you assume that it's a square root. This one right here, you could go ahead and put that in your calculator. I don't know that one off the top of my head. So it looks like in Desmos, when you press this button, you could put the 3 in for the cube root and then the whole number. So 17,576. And then you would press enter and you would get 26. I think that answer may have been spoiled on the actual notes page. That's okay. And then the final one, if you don't know this, the number that multiplies by itself and by itself again that gives you 8 is 2. So you can use that list of all of the numbers 1 through 18, or you can use the cube root function in your calculator. If you don't know how to do that, there will be a video on it, or you can send me a picture of your calculator and I can help you. Remember that negatives are okay in cube roots, it just gives you a negative answer.